Today's video, hey, hello, hi, is going to be a ThredUp unboxing. So I've been on kind of a ThredUp kick lately, and I purchased a couple of boxes from them. I have, I think, 2 more coming in the mail. I have a Cozy Threads box coming in the mail too, which Cozy Threads, we'll talk about that. We'll talk about Cozy Threads in a video. Not really happy with them, but we'll see. We'll see what the box is like. So this is the 15 piece shoebox. It was, I don't even remember. I will put it on the screen when I'm editing. First thing in the box are these Coach riding boots. Pretty decent. I mean, they're kind of like creased on the front. We get a little bit of scuffage, but overall they're in decent shape. These are the Misha boots. They are a size 8, and yeah, really good condition. Comps look to be decent. We'll see. Some Tiva sneakers. These are the willow lace sneakers, I think. They're in pretty decent condition. They're a size 9, women's 9. Puma sneakers. These are the Fierce camo sneakers, I think they're called. You got camo on the toe right here. They're a size 8.5. All of the sizes in this box were like 8, 8.5, which is my size. Like I feel like my size fluctuates by brand. Like sometimes I can fit into an 8. Other brands I can fit into a 9, like Huaraches, like Nike Huaraches, size 9. Sizing on those is just crazy. Anyway, this is what they look like. These are pretty decent. Probably get like $50 for these. Have some halogen sandals, some espadrilles. Look like this. They've got this long thing. You can like lace up your leg, tie it around your knee, you know, do what you want to do. I don't know. These are a size, I think they're 8. Yep, they're size 8. Look like this. Okay, speaking of Huaraches, I guess these are called Huarache sandals. The brand is Nzolo, and I guess it's a decent brand. These are in like excellent condition. These are a size 9, I think. Nope, 8.5. Yeah, again, everything was like 8, 8.5. But yeah, this is a good brand. These were made in Peru. Leather upper, rubber sole. Some J. Crew flats, sandal flat things. These are the Hadley suede sandals, I believe. They're a size 8. Blue suede. I mean, they're cute. Probably won't get much from, but they're cute. These guys, I have no idea. Remix, Deluxe, Vintage, Classics. I don't know. There's the label inside. No idea. They're a size 6.5. I think these are ugly, but hey, someone will like them. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know this brand. They don't feel like the best quality. So Mark Fisher, little ankle booties, block heel. These are a size 7. Bottoms, we got a TJ Maxx tag on the bottom. I haven't scraped it all off yet, but yeah, probably won't get much for these. These are cute, just some Vans slip-ons, like a light pink color. They're a size 7. One of them is in better condition than the other. Like this one is pretty creased. This one is not so much, but the bottoms look great. I'll save the best for last. These are just Ann Taylor pumps. They're a size 8.5. Just black pumps, nothing too special. These are Toms. They're just little booty wedges. They're cute. What size are these? Size 8.5. Vince Camuto flats with like bedazzledness on them. Probably won't get much for these. They're size 8.5. I mean, they're in decent condition, but yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I have no idea the brand on these. There is no brand on these. Like there's literally no markings at all. So I have no idea what the hell this even is. Like this. Again, like literally nothing on here. No markings. Nothing. I have no idea. So I'm probably just going to donate these. Like what are you? I don't know. New Balance shoes. Nothing special, I don't think. These are the Fresh Foam Crush. No, Crush. Fresh Foam Crush. They're size 11, women's 11. And then the best ones from the box, we got some Hokas. They're size 8.5. These are the Clifton 7s. Hoka's. My husband's super excited about these. He loves selling Hoka's. So yeah, so I think these are the best. The Coach boots, probably the second best. Then maybe the Teva. I don't know, I gotta do some research on the rest of those shoes. But it was a decent box. The Hoka's and the Coach boots together will pay for the price of the box. So, so yeah, I think it was worth it. Like I said, I have another, actually no, I think I have 2 ThredUp boxes, like 2 more coming. But I think I might have a code with them where you get like $10 off. I'll have to check. If I do, it'll be down below. If you guys are interested in anything you see in this video, everything's listed in my Poshmark closet. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.